Hi there! I finally made my first complete video of one of my experiments, and I realized that creating the video and putting everything together turned out to be more difficult than the experiments themselves. So for more than half a year, I've been trying to figure out and develop my own version of EDF that could at least somewhat match the models available on the market. To do this, I had to learn everything from the scratch. So I had no prior experience with the airplanes, rockets, or anything that could fly, aside from paper planes and homemade parachutes made from plastic bags with the toy soldiers. In this video, I decided to share my experience studying the vanes or ribs located in front and behind the EDF propeller. I experimented with the number of vanes and their distances from propeller. First, I had to design the tube in which the vanes would be installed. Then, I drew the vanes themselves and added them to the assembly. I added the motor and the propeller to assembly as well. Next step was printing everything using Bambu 3D printers with a PLA material. I assembled the components. Fortunately, I didn't need to do any special fitting of the parts. Then I began the entire testing process. My ESC controller also allowed me to monitor RPM of the brushless motor to make sure and control the factor as well to obtain the most accurate data. In the end, I found that distances of 5, 10, up to 10 millimeters in front and behind the propeller is the most optimal for achieving maximum efficiency. The number of vanes in the front should be minimized and placed as close as possible to propeller. As for the vanes behind the propeller, increasing their number reduces turbulence and decreases losses. However, the number should still be reasonable. Too many vanes can actually worsen performance. Thank you.